This is my iPhone X S Max, and when I go into settings, I can check the battery health, because it says this. It says it's an unknown part, and then when I click on it, it doesn't show me the battery health. It says max capacity dash. So my alternative right now is, which I've been using for a while, is I'll use on my MacBook over here this app called Coconut Battery. So I just need to plug this in to my computer right now. After I plugged it in, it's asking me if I want to trust the device. Trust. Now on the Coconut Battery app, I'm going to click on iOS device, and voila, I can see what the design capacity is right now. It's at 100%. And so I'll show you some of the stats. It's been charged 100 times, but it's still at 100%. I got this phone about, I think, in May. So it's been 4 months now: May, June, July, August. So 4 months later, and it's still operating fine. But the whole point of this was I couldn't check it on my iPhone because it's a third-party battery, and for some reason the Apple phone wouldn't recognize the battery. So when I clicked on battery and health and home charging, it shows this as an unknown battery, and it's just maximum capacities like that. So in the end, I had to use the Coconut Battery app to figure out what the battery health is, its design capacity. I'm not sure if this is 100% accurate, but at least it gives me something to work off of versus the Apple iPhone doesn't tell me anything.